What's up everyone? It's Sky Bobby and you're watching Sky Bobby TV, and I'm coming at you with another video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to get that flawless face. If you're a man and looking for a natural look, you've come to the right place. If you're looking for a professional makeup artist, you're in the wrong video. But if you're here in just a few moments, I'll be showing you that look in a natural kind of a way for you men who don't want to wear makeup, but kind of want more of a smooth, flawless skin. This is the place. All right, let's get right into it. I've already done the prep work and I shaved really close to get a smooth face. I exfoliated the dead skin off. I put moisturizer on. I was told that moisturizer is really good for your face when you're applying makeup. Your face gets very dry when you use makeup a lot. And for you African-American males, I do have a astringent called Tin Skin. It's like witch hazel, but a little bit better. I've been using that for years and it just does wonders. It looks like this. You can get it on Amazon, called Tin Skin. Anyway, let me show you the products that I got and let's get right into this. I'm nervous, y'all. This is my first time, but I can do it. I can do anything. So all the products I got at a drugstore. I got a beauty blender, something I have never heard of, but the drugstore lady said you must have this for your foundation to put on. It soaks up the liquid part of it and gives you more of a flawless skin. I got my powder brush and my contour brush and my eyeshadow brush. I got two primers. One is for redness correction. I do have red blotches all over my face, so this will kind of set that. And then I also got an SPF primer to give that smooth, and if you're out in the sun, protect you from the sun. I got two foundations. I think that was the hardest part for me picking out my makeup because I couldn't figure out the color that would match. And I did one help, so I did get two. And I got one, which I'll probably be using this one today, for that medium coverage, and then this one is a full coverage. I think, yeah, I definitely use this one because I'll be doing more of a male version of the makeup. And then in my next video, I'll be doing more of a glamazon makeup, which I'll be putting color and eyeshadow and makeup and all that other good stuff. So definitely stay tuned for that. And then I got the concealer to kind of get some of the under eye and some of the flaws and blemishes that I have. And then to get it even more flawless, I got the powder. And then I got the contouring to kind of give myself some cheekbones, but more of a natural cheekbone. And then I got a eyebrow brush, kind of fill that in and give me more of a fuller eyebrow. And then I got setting spray that I will be setting the flawless look with, and then I'll be using my DCT, it's not lip gloss, it's just like chapstick. That's what it is. I could not think of what it is. I'll be putting that on for my final touch. So you guys ready? I'm scared, but I can do it. All right, first thing I'll do is put the primer on, first primer. And I am bald, so I want to get the bald head as well as the neck. So I'll put the primer, the first primer, just a little bit amount. Make sure I get my bald head. And then my second primer. Oh, this feels good. I like the second primer better than the first, much smoother. Okay. And then the foundation. Hopefully it matches my color. I'm gonna sing and I'm gonna sing until the world. I'm gonna sing down under the water until the world. I'm gonna sing and I'm gonna sing until the world. I'm gonna sing down under the water until the world. I'm gonna sing and I'm gonna sing until the world. I'm gonna sing down under the water until the world. I'm gonna sing. All right, next I'll apply the concealer. Don't know why it's supposed to highlight in the dark areas, I guess. but I've seen them, they put it underneath their eye. I see them put them by their chin for some reason. And for the guys, by your mustache. A little more here. I think it's blending in pretty well. It's pretty fun. All right, next I'll be applying the powder to give that smooth effect here. One of the fun things I loved hearing on the video when I was watching the makeup tutorial was when they dip into the powder, so they don't want too much, and you hear that. It's too funny to me, but so. Don't forget that neck, folks. Got happy skin matching. I just had this vision of my husband walking out of the office like, what in the hell are you doing? Or will he even notice? Tap tap. Do the ears, why not? Nose. Make sure that's forward. I got a big nose, in case y'all didn't know. Okay. Now, normally if you just want a natural effect, that would probably be pretty much you would do, and you go out and you're a man and here you go. But if you want to throw a little bit more shade to it, you can add some contour to give your nose more of a contour. And I got something called Throw Shade. I had to get it just for the name, because I'm gonna throw some shade at y'all. It's a palette, and it comes like with a mirror, and it comes with the different colors of the contour. I'm not quite sure what color I need, so I'll be experimenting with that. And I have a little contour brush, so let's see. Let's do, they have Sassy, Burn, Sting, Attitude, Respect, Fire, Ultra, Queen, and Power. Let's use Sassy, because I'm ratchet, nasty, bougie. Don't forget the top. Some contouring my nose, I think. A little dot there. I want to get my bones structure. And you start from the ear right here and follow your bone structure. Not too much, but I was told for masculine look, you want to go down, not up. Forgot about that. I got the side down, so it really didn't mean nothing, but maybe if I blend it in, I guess. Let me add 2 colors, maybe that'll work. Let's do some Respect. R-E-S-P-C-T. Found out what it means to me. R-E-S-P-C-T. Now I'm just messing around. All right. Blend that in. And I think I'll give it some more powder just to give it that more shine. I want to be extra. Tap, tap. I want that ultra shine. And now for these bushy eyebrows. So I'm gonna fill it in a little bit with my eyebrow pencil. I really don't know what I'm doing here, but do you guys watch that TV series, Schitt's Creek? I know it's been on like for 5 years, but Kelly and I, and I'm using a brush on the other side. Kelly and I started watching it. We binge watched it being in this quarantine, all 5 seasons, and we watched the final episode last night, and it is so good. First of all, just seeing a love couple that wasn't like stereotypical gay or anything like that, seeing 2 people kiss, like intimacy on TV, not that Will and Grace kind of a thing, was pretty cool. So we like totally binge watched that. Not bad, I think. I don't know if it's even. All right. Then I want to put my lip gloss slash chapstick. Don't be out there ashy, folks. No ashiness. All right. Now that I got it all ready, I gotta set it, folks. I got setting spray. All right. It smells good. All right, let it fan out. I need my fan. Where is my fan? Oh my God. What do you guys think? I look beat. Yes, I like this. This is my first time. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did. I didn't know what I was doing. So if you're here to get beat from a professional, you come to the wrong place. But if you're here to have a little fun during this quarantine, life is short, people. Do you, be you, have fun with it. And I had so much fun. I think I'm gonna do another video and I'm gonna glam it up. I'm gonna be adding some eyeshadow, maybe some lipstick, and just give you guys color and see how that is. That'd be like my after midnight thing. So definitely look out for that. And if you haven't already, subscribe to this channel. I got more to come. I got all kinds of ideas lining up you don't wanna miss. And if you like this video, hit the like button. And I'm always on Instagram, so catch me at SKYBOYSFO. And thanks, guys. Bye.